Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, and in this video I want to continue for the configuration in Superlab-3. Yeah. This is the video continue to the continue part from the last video. This is the Superlab-3, and in the Superlab we will configuration and have some topic. So how much this? So very much that is perfect STP and SVI. So the HTTP routing SVF. This is real configuration routing SVF for this area. So configuration access list in this for IPF2. So not static and dynamic to the internet. This is real configuration from router to the internet. Yeah, and DNS server, web server, and email server. This is the configuration again. Yeah, the configuration. So last wireless in this access point. So the part one, the basic configuration. This is we will display name for the every every device network device. Yeah, this is I have to get name. This you can see is for RTR2. So we'll show in this switch 2. Yeah, this is we I have config for hostname. So the the continue that is configuration for enable secret. This is I have again, yeah, for configuration enable secret in the every network device. This is I have you can show. Okay, the continue part in part second, that is I start from the switch one this, yeah, in this area, okay. The configuration this area, the configuration is get VLAN. Yeah, we will create VLAN in this switch. So after this we will get sub interface router on stick, yeah, router on stick. This is sub interface. So we configuration in manual IP address for the some server that is DNS, web server, and email. This is the IP address, yeah. So uh, after we will finish it or complete for configuration that is VLAN, sub interface. We will can to ping, yeah, for the router from server to the router. You can see this successful. So okay, the continue the part third, that is configuration in VLAN and trunking. Configuration VLAN and trunking and switch to access point and core RTR4. This configuration will configuration in this area, yeah, area in VLAN, area in switch to access point and glass router. The config in this area configuration is we will create VLAN and switch, yeah, we will to get and create display name VLAN. So after that we configuration for the track key, yeah, for the track that from switch to the router or switch to the end device and access point. This is I configuration mode access. So after configuration that we create VLAN, yeah, for like the device. So The continue is configuration to the access point. Yeah, this is I have finished configuration in access point. Yeah, you can see this is I I create SSID, that is gonna course Wi-Fi. So to authentication with the to PSK and the password is 1 to the 8, and connection smartphone. Yeah, smartphone can connection. This is you can see this connection wireless. Yeah, from the smartphone. This is I have a connection if I write as an ID, so I get to password. So this is configuration to connection smartphone to the Wi-Fi as complete. So we are configuration. Don't forget configuration in DHCP server. You can see this is for DHCP from the device can get IP. Yeah, you can see this for the VLAN 3. This is from VLAN 4. This DHCP has uh, complete, has given. So to the checking for this part, you must make sure that each PC can ping each other. Yeah. So the to checking, we will check to use a ping from uh, between or another VLAN device. So okay, this is you can see this successful for the ping from end device. Yeah. Okay, the continue part is part 4. This is configuration VLAN and trunking in switch 3 and core RTR4. Yeah, the same core, the same router will configuration in the other switch, that is switch 3. This is the same, we create a VLAN, so we configuration router on stick. So the complete, if you complete the configuration, we can ping each other another device and device. So, okay. Um. Okay. This is part in the same, yeah, from the part 3, and the continue part is part 5. This is the same. The first step is we will configuration create VLAN. This is we if you but this is I make a VTP. Yeah. So if you can check this is VLAN, yeah, from switch num switch 6, you can get the VLAN from the all switch. Yeah, you can see this 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 10. Okay, because the switch configuration VTP. Okay, so the same configuration DHCP, so you can show for the PC can give give IP from the HTTP server. Okay, this is configuration in part 5. So you can each PC can ping each other. Okay, PC can ping each other. This is successful. Okay, we continue in part 6. This is the same area. This is configuration rapid PVSP. Yeah, this to the STP configuration. sorry, I didn't can it to rapid yeah. Yeah, real configuration rapid PVST for the all switch the connection from for the RTFT, yeah. All switch 4, 6, and 5 configuration. So configuration switch 4 to become root bridge. Yeah, with configuration priority. So the value priority we get to the switch 4 that is the little from the switch order. Yeah, from the switch 5 and 6. Okay, the part 7, that is we configuration basic configuration from the all router. That is we must to display name and get IP. Okay, get IP. You can see this is we create um, host name, so we can check here. As brief. We can see this is I have to get IP for the port active serial 1/0 and 1/1 transistor net 0. So in the each order the all router is the configuration, yeah, configuration that's basic. In the continue part in part 8, this is configuration OSPF in this area. Yeah, we'll config OSPF. Yeah, so you do show IP. You show IP. You show. Uh, yeah, this is if you have complete or finished to configuration OSPF, you can see for the neighbor uh, in the router, yeah. So the OSPF neighbor, yeah, table routing is complete. You can see is table root. Do show IP root. This is the table routing, yeah. And the all of client can ping each other, so we can try this client. Okay, the successful. The client has uh, success paying each other. Yeah. Okay, the part 8 has complete, finished, and part 9 that is configuration DNS server. Yeah, this is configuration in DNS server. The configuration is we must to create for from DNS this service DNS. This is we can create a record, a record. The type is a record and cinema. So we config a record from Google. Yes, yeah. This is I have completed. I have completed to configuration DNS server. So don't forget to configuration is web server, yeah. This is configuration web server. To display welcome to agunacos.com. This is configuration in web server. Enter to HTTP. So this is configuration in web server. can access Aguna's course.com via web server. Okay, we'll try to access Aguna course from web server ya. Okay, we'll access Aguna course. Okay, have success ya. Relax, success. Access agunacourse.com via web server. So the continue part is configuration in email server. This is the configuration email server. This ya, the configuration in email. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Email this ya, access email. This is I have create to user one and two for domain agunacourse.com, and I configuration again in the PC one and two ya, for the email this, the configuration in this ya, user email that. Okay, the continue in the 11 part 11, that is configuration nut ya, configuration nut. This is for the router one. This is I have configuration nut. This is from this IP nut inside until IP nut inside this to the interface. So this is I have to configuration not static yeah, for the part 12. Yeah, you can see. Okay, the part 13, that is configuration access list from the RTR2. Yeah. Yeah. This is I have configuration access list 100 102 yeah. Yeah, because we must to use access list ID 102. The end of the single time and access to website and email. Okay, this configuration has completed. That this is we can check for completion point that's not 100, because we if we can check this as an items, that is the core RTR2 cannot ATL, but I have success for success or complete to configuration ACL. You can show from that yeah. So in the port first Ethernet 0, that is IP address and subnet mask. But this is you can see for the first Ethernet 0, that is we not used to uh, we uh, we can don't don't need we don't need to get IP from the port yeah, from the interface port, but in this router for the track Ethernet 0, that is to the track sub interface for VLAN 1. Okay, that is not to IP address. If you can see the part 2 ya. This is reconfiguration router on stick. Yeah. So in this router, uh, I get sub interface, I configuration sub interface. Okay. So that's yeah. That's the point. Cannot to not have not complete configuration, but this is I the little success. Yeah. Thank you for the watching, guys. See you next video for the Superlab-4. And the next video, I to never give up. I to create 100% in short. Okay, guys. Thank you for